Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our English video today. And today we're going to be going over the days of the week. This is a beginning English lesson. And we will start with Monday, Tuesday, then go into Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then go into Saturday, Sunday. Let's go ahead and get started.
Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Monday.
T U E S D A Y.
Tuesday.
What day is it today?
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday.
What day is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Tomorrow is Tuesday.
Monday. Tuesday.
Now Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday,
W E D N E S D A Y.
Wednesday.
T H U R S D A Y.
Thursday.
F R I D A Y.
Friday.
What day is it today?
Today is Thursday.
Today is Thursday.
What day was it yesterday?
Yesterday was Wednesday.
Yesterday was Wednesday.
What day is it tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Friday.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Wednesday,
W E D N E S Day.
Thursday, Friday, today, yesterday, tomorrow,
And the last one is Saturday, Sunday.
Saturday. Sunday. Saturday and Sunday together are called the weekend.
Weekend. S A T U R D A Y.
Saturday.
S U N D A Y.
Sunday,
W E E K E N D.
weekend,
What day is it today?
Saturday.
Today is Saturday.
What day is it tomorrow?
Sunday.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Saturday, Sunday, weekend,
Excellent job, everyone. Thank you for joining me for the Days of the Week practice in our beginning English. I am Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, wishing you guys a fantastic rest of your day.